Hi, it's Jana Eubank with Simple Stories, and this is the Best Year Ever collection, shipping in February. This collection features 12 different pattern papers, one for each month of the year. Let's take a closer look at each one. So each paper includes 4x6 cards, 3x4 cards, 4x4 cards, and 2x2 cards. You can cut this apart and use it on several different projects. On the back of each paper, you can see there's an adorable coordinating design. Here we've got some snowflakes for January. I think this collection would be so much fun to do your pocket pages throughout the year. You can look at how cute February is with those adorable little hearts on the back side. It would also be a fun set to use to create greeting cards throughout the year. We all love our seasons, we love our holidays, and for this collection you have a little bit of everything. This will cover you throughout the entire year. Look at the bunny, the eggs, the umbrella for spring. For May, we have flowers and butterflies, and on the back, I just love this flower print on the pink background. In June, we have our flamingos, our flip-flops, our yummy drinks that we sit with next to the pool, and look at these cute scallops on the other side. Our next month is July. Here you've got your fireworks, your stars, listening to your rockin' summer tunes, right? All those popsicles. And then, of course, that's those stars and stripes, the stars in the sky, or the stars with our fireworks. In August, we're enjoying the last days of summer, making the most of it by having picnics with watermelon. Maybe the ants are stopping by for a visit. And then we have this cute confetti dot on the other side. Here's September. It's time for back to school. I love the adorable colored pencils. You got the books, the apple, the Let's Do This, and this primary colored dot pattern. October is my very favorite. I love Halloween, and this jack-o'-lantern is so cute. I love this little spider hanging down, and you've got the bats flying around. The journal spot almost looks like an oval moon, don't you think? And then on the back we have an orange and black confetti dot. November, it's time to be thankful and think about our families and Thanksgiving. Got the cute sweater and pumpkins, and I love this plaid on the back. Final month of the year, of course, is December, where we celebrate Christmas and the holidays. This little happy Christmas tree, the presents, the holly, and look at the holly paper, isn't that cute? Now, along with all of the months of the year, we have coordinating embellishments, and I can't wait to show these to you. This is my very favorite stencil. I think this could be used like as snow or confetti for birthdays, lots of uses for that one. Our stamp set features all the months of the year in this cute outline font, so you can color it in with pencils or markers or whatever you like to use. Our sticker book is awesome. If you like to do a planner, you've got a sheet of stickers for every single month. Look at how cute these brads are. You've got Hello Winter, yay, it's spring, happy fall and summer days, these cute icons, and all the happy colors of the collection. The tapes are really cute. You've got these darling flowers, this multicolored stripe, and then all the months written on this one. The enamel dots and those happy colors. Here we have the bits and pieces. Of course, all the icons for every month of the year. And then here is the journal bits. I love the oval journaling spots with the scallop around the edge. Really, really cute. Now our 6x8 paper pad is a little different than our normal paper pads because we've added in more designer papers to cover every single month with the cards, and then we have the seasons with the designer papers. Here's our snap cards, our new snap card packaging. It comes in this nice bubble pack and it includes more cards. You get 72 total pieces, 24 of the 4x6 and 48 of the 3x4s. You can see you have all the months in the large size with journaling spots as well, and then you have the months in the 3x4 size. These are our Robin's Egg foam stickers that go so well with this. And then check out our new foam stickers. We have titles and phrases for every season. There's another side as well. So cute. I love all the little confetti pieces. Those bats, I need like a whole package of those. They're adorable. And then last but not least is our beautiful chipboard. You got our snowman, the jar, the flowers, the kite, the flamingo, popsicle, the apple. You got Halloween and Christmas and Thanksgiving. So this collection truly will help you to have the best year ever. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.